Hello everybody, it's Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews and Cheyenne USA. And as you know, or some of you know at least that have watched some of my videos, I just started getting into drone photography. And I noticed I was having a problem with rolling shutter. And the one way to get rid of your rolling shutter problem is to decrease your shutter speed and also turn off your shutter and bring down the ASA on your actual, what we used to call film speed, but your digital speed. So what I decided to do, since I was just getting into the business, I wanted to buy a good quality set of neutral density filters. And I did some reading online, and I found that this set from Freewell, which is about 50 bucks, had really great reviews, and it was just what I was looking for. I have a Mavic Pro, and I wanted something that kind of ran the gamut as far as gradients, neutral density gradients, and also had a circular polarized filter. So this particular box comes with a circular polarized filter. It comes with a ND16 for really bright sunny days. It comes with an ND8 for kind of a partly cloudy day. And then it comes with an ND4 for regular cloudy days. So let's break open the box. Let's see what's inside. And let's use it and see what ends up happening. So first we're gonna take the tape off the box. And inside, the first thing I have, I think this is like a cleaning pen or something to clean stuff off, and that's exactly what that looks like. It's a little lens brush, and I guess this is to clean the inside, but I'll read up on it later. And then there's a little lens brush here also. So that's that little lens pen thing. Then let's see, what else do we have in here? It's a little hard to get out of the box. Okay, so inside the box there's a little cleaning cloth, and then we actually have our filters. Now the filters are in a little plastic box like this, and there's 4 of them like I explained, and I'm going to show you now how to put them on the front lens of your Mavic Pro. Place it right on the front of the camera lens. Make sure that you support your gimbal and your camera before pushing it on. You just take the lens or the filter, you pop it on like this, and you're good to go. So it's a bright sunny day, and I want to show you the differences between shooting with an ND filter and without an ND filter. We're going to do the first flight without an ND filter. So as you can see, it's really a bright sunny day here in Arizona. We live in the Arizona desert, and we have to deal with really bright sunny days. So today is the perfect day to be using an ND16. So now we've got the 16 neutral density on the front of the camera. We've set the ASA to 100. We've got the shutter at 1/20th of a second. And we're shooting under about 1.7. Let's see what the video looks like now. So, hopefully you've got something from this video. I think that this Freewell 4K series is a great little set, and it's priced really, really well. The quality of the glass is very nice, and you get a circularly polarized filter, which will knock out any reflections on glass or water if you're flying over that. You've got the ND16, which we used today. You've got the ND8, which is kind of for a cloudy day, and then you have the ND4, which is for more of an overcast, cloudy day. Now remember, the set comes with this nice little brush that you pull the top off of this one, and this is for going around on the inside of the glass, okay? And then on the other side, you've got this, which is for dusting the glass off. And last but not least, you have your 4 filters, and they come in this nice little plastic case. So I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews and Cheyenne USA saying, please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.